After discovering the beautiful Granite Coast, we thought we'd park up and take a couple of days in this area. So we found a campsite. This is called Iles campsite. And we've parked up Ruby. There she is. Looking super cool. And this is the view from the back of our pitch. It's not bad. Lovely view of the sea. We are literally right on the sea wall. Awesome. So you walk up from the campsite, up the little path, out onto the beach. Come on, Bernie, let's go walk on the beach. And this beach is called La Plage de Kerriac, near the little town of Kerriac, on the North Brittany coast. It's beautiful. And that's the view out to Iles. That's the 7 islands. You can get boat trips and things. It's the nature reserve. So if you want to do that, you can. Woo! Beautiful, crystal clear water. There's Bernie. There's a campsite just there. 10 minutes walk away. 2 minutes, well, it's a minute to get to the beach. It's beautiful. And if you just see there, look, if you don't even come to the campsite, there is actually parking for the beach just there. There. Parking, there's also a shower. So you can have a lovely day here. What a lovely place.
You surveying your land?
Yeah. Sure is beautiful. I could live in Brittany.
She says that everywhere we go. Well, with the odd exception.